Hi everyone, welcome to our Max class lecture series. In today class, we are going to discuss about the measures of central tendency, which is the most important topic in statistics introduction. These are the backbone of the statistics. I think this is the backbone of statistical measures. Measures of central tendency. What is measures of central tendency? Let us see what is the measures of central tendency. A measure of central tendency is a single value. It is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. By identifying the central position within that set of data. As such, measures of central tendency are sometimes called measures of central location. It is also known as measures of central location. They are classified as summary statistics. They are classed as summary statistics. Measure of central tendency is very important in statistics because all the research problems is based on the measures of central statistical tools. That means a single value that attempts to describe the set of data, a single value which describes the entire set of data, a single value which describes the entire set of data is called the measures of central tendency. It is also known as measures of location. What are the measures of central tendency? Mean is known as average. We have the various measures of central tendency. First one, mean is also known as average. Then median is the number which is lies in the middle, the number which is the middle value is known as median. And then mode, the number that occurs most of the time in the given observation, the most repeated observation in the given observation, that is called mode. These are the main features of measures of central tendency: mean, median, mode. We have various types in mean, median and mode to calculate the from ungrouped data or grouped data for discrete distribution or continuous distribution. We have applying some formula also. So keep it in mind, dear students. So this is the main important topic in statistics introduction at in first module: mean, median, mode. So what is mean here? Mean is average. What is median? Median is the middle value. Whenever you say the median, you have to by God and my median is nothing but the middle value. Mode. What is the mode? Mode is the most repeated value, most repeated frequency in the given observation. This is called the median. Let us see one problem for our practice. Then, generally, I have already explained, generally the data is classified into two types. One is ungrouped data and another one is grouped data. So, what is meant to be ungrouped data? Raw data. What is meant to be ungrouped data? Raw data. The data which we are collected from the outer source or internal source, without modifying, we are recorded the data, that is known as ungrouped data. What is meant by group data? The collected data is recorded after some modification by grouping. After some modification by grouping. For example, if I collected the marks of a particular student in 12th standard, what is the Tamil mark? Tamil mark is 90. English mark is 97. So and so. I collected the data. I just keep the data as it is. This is known as ungrouped data without modifying. This is the ungrouped data. Suppose if it is a grouped data, means the student score number 90 to 20, 90 to 100 marks, 90 to 100 marks in two subjects, 90 to 100 marks in two subjects, 70 to 80 marks in two subjects. So I grouped the data here. So this is called grouped data. Without modifying, we recorded the data is called ungrouped. By modification, data is called grouped data. So data given in individual data is known as ungrouped data, and data given in intervals known as grouped data. Now, for ungrouped data is also known as raw data. How can we calculate the average value? What is the mean here? Mean formula: x bar equal to summation x divided by n. Sum of observations. X bar equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observation divided by number of observations. We have to sum all the observations and divided by the number of observations known as mean. Now, what is median? Before finding the median, so whenever you see the median, just arrange the data in ascending order. Very important step. Most important step. Well, if you want to calculate the median for a particular observation, we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. ascending or descending order. According to the number of observations, we have two median formulas. If n is number of observation is odd number, if number of observation is odd number, the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term after arranging the data in ascending order. Keep it in mind, after arranging the data in ascending order. So if the number of observation is even number, then suppose 10 observations are given, 10 observations are given, 12 observations are given, 100 observations are given, means if it is a even number, what is the median formula? N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Average of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. This is the median formula. So we have two set of median formula. Depends on the number of observations given in the problem. So number of observation is odd, means you have to use first formula. If it is even, means you have to use second formula. Before that, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Now, what is the mode? Most frequently repeated term, most frequently occurring observation. Most frequently occurring observation is known as mode. Most data which is repeated more number of times in the given set is called the mode. Then let us see one problem. This is the raw data. Without modifying, the collected data is recorded. This is the raw data. How can we calculate mean, median, mode for the particular data? So 13, 18, 13, 14, 13. This is the recorded data. So how can we find the mean value? So mean is nothing but sum of observation divided by number of observation. Just to add all the observations given in the problem, and the number of observations here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 observations are given in the problem. So divided by 9 equal to 50. Very simple. For calculating mean from raw data is very simple. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. For this problem, x bar equal to 15. This is your answer. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Now, what is the median? Before applying the median, before finding the median, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. But arrange the given data in ascending order. So the given data is not in ascending order. Smallest to biggest. What is the smallest value? 13, 13, 13, 13, and then 14. So smallest to biggest. So smallest to larger value, have to arrange the data in ascending order. After arranging the data in ascending order only, we have to apply the median formula. So count the number of data given in the problem: 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So 9 data are there, which is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. So we have to use odd number. 9 is an odd number. So we have to use median formula, the first formula, n plus 1 by 2th term. What is n here? 9. 9 plus 1 by 2th term. So which is equal to 5th term. So let us find the 5th term in the ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is our 5th term here? 14. 5th term is 14. Therefore, our median is 14. 5th term is 14. Therefore, our median is 14. Now, what is our mode here? Most repeated value. Most repeated value. Here 13 repeated 4 times. Here 13 is repeated 4 times. So, the most repeated value in our given observations, given data is most repeated value is 13 occurs 4 times. So, 13. Mode is equal to 13. Unimodal. Only one mode for this problem. So, most repeated value which is 13. So, this is a simple problem for finding mean, median, mode for the raw data. Okay, let us see another one problem. The same situation, raw data is given here. Raw data is given. We have to compute mean, median, mode. Arrange the mean, median, mode. How can we find the mean value? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. So sum is 740 divided by number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 observations are there. So answer is 148. So before going to median, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. We have to arrange the data in ascending order. So after arranging the data in ascending order, find the median. Here only we have 5 observations. 5 is an odd number. So use first formula n plus 1 by 2th term. So third term, which is our third term? 160 is our third term. What is our third term? 160. So 160 is the median. So what is mode? Mode is the most repeated value. Here 170 is repeated 2 times. Here 170 is repeated 2 times. Therefore mode equal to 170. I think this is very clear for you. For raw data, how can you calculate mean, median, mode? This is the simple method to find the mean, median, mode for the raw data. Now let us try another one example. See, these are the given data. What is x bar? How can you calculate mean here? The same procedure, sum of observation by number of observation. This will be very clear for you. I think this is very clear for you. Then just move on to the median. Before going to median, just arrange the data in ascending order. After arranging the data in ascending order, apply the median formula either first type or second type. So here the number of data, how many data are here? How many data are here? Let us see how many data are here. Here we have 20 data. Here we have 20 data. So 20 is an even number. 20 is an even number. If it is an even number, we have to use the second formula of median, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So what is n here? 20. So 20 by 2 is, what is 20 by 2? 10th term. This is 10th term plus 10 plus 1, 11th term. 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. What is our 10th term here? Let us see what is our 10th term here. Let us identify the 10th term. What is our 10th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th term is 146. 11th term is 147. So 146 plus 147 divided by 2 is 146.5. So the same procedure, after arranging the data in ascending order, you have to choose whether the first formula, second formula is applied for median. If it is an odd number, use first formula, that means n plus 1 by 2th term. If it is an even number, so second formula n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. For this problem, the median is 146. Then what is our mode? Mode is the most repeated value. Here 132, 138, 146, 147 repeated 2 times. Here 132 repeated 2 times and 138 repeated 2 times. Then 146 also repeated 2 times. So 147 also repeated 2 times. So we are having 4 modes. We are having 4 modes here. So what are the 4 modes? 132, 138, 146 and then 147. This is called multi-mode. This is called multi-mode. Only one mode means that is unimodal, two mode means that is bimodal, and trimodal, and then multimodal. Multimodal distribution. The distribution is multimodal distribution. I think this is very clear for you. In next class, we are going to discuss about the mean median mode for the grouped data. For grouped data, how can we calculate mean median mode? Let us refer this video for better understanding. In next class, we are going to see about the mean median mode for the ungrouped data. Thank you.